welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the Civic Si. I have a few parts that I want to install. The first part being the front grille right here. I have the new part. I'm going to show it real quick. You can see, looks pretty nice. It's got like a gloss finish, and it's going to look really good on the front of the Civic. And then the next part that I want to install in today's video is the lower grille, and you'll see right now in these next few clips. So with that being said, let's get into it. Let's go. So before we replace the grills, we need to take the bumper off just to make it easier for us. For my car, I don't have any of like the splash guards or anything like that, so it's going to be a little bit easier to remove all that. For most Civics on the 8 gens, they'll have like a screw on this side and then another one on the opposite side right over here. And then after that, there's going to be 2 Allen bolts on the grill. I'll show you right now in a bit. And after you remove those, there'll just be some clips on each side, and you just need to pull it out, and then the whole bumper should come off. So after popping the hood, you can see that these are the Allen bolts right here. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, now that I have all the bolts taken off, we're going to remove the bumper. And before I bring the bumper down, I'm going to put a mat on the floor just so I don't scratch my bumper. And before I forget, you also need to remove the fog lights if you have some, on both sides obviously. So I'm going to get those removed and the bumper should be free. Before jumping further into the video, I just want to tell you guys that buying a kit like this will really save your life. I bought this specific kit from Amazon. It was about $20, and it just makes it a lot easier to remove all the plastic trim from your vehicle. And you'll see right now in these next few clips that how useful these are. Right now we're going to install the lower grille. It's actually pretty easy, so let's get to it. I'm going to flip the bumper upside down. You can see that there's like little tabs that stick out on this mouth opening, and all you're going to want to do is just align the holes right here on the grill to these little tabs. And also make sure that these big tabs underneath the bottom of the bumper align to the bottom slots down here. So you just got to make sure everything is aligned. Eyeball everything. You can see that these two are fine, the upper ones are fine, and all you got to do is just press it down and make sure everything is secure. It should clip in place. Okay, everything looks good. It's like an up close. These are the clips, the top ones, and there's some bottom ones that are down here, and then the 2 big ones. And then once those are clipped in, you're gonna go to the bottom of the bumper. I'll flip it over right now, and we're gonna insert some clips. And hopefully you guys can see the bottom clips here again. They're down here. And now we're gonna install the bottom clips. These are the ones I'm gonna be using. And I actually bought these from Amazon as well. I bought like a whole kit full of plastic tabs and clips and all that, just for this specific reason, just to have everything that I need. And these were the ones that I found that best fit. So I'm just gonna go down here, line the holes up. Hopefully you guys can see them. And I'm just gonna press. I'm gonna make sure the clips fit, press them in, and then do that. Move to the next one. Okay, and that's it. For the bottom grille, we're pretty much done for now. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the upper grille. To remove it, there's gonna be screws, about 6 of them. Mine are missing 2 for some reason, but I guess that's less screws for me. So I'm gonna take these off. I also forgot to mention that there's 2 screws right next to the emblem. So with those screws taken off, the whole grill just comes apart. You can see, that simple. Out with the old and in with the new. So before I install the new grill, I just want to show you guys the back side of it. See that there's the screw holes right there, and there's like a little tab down here at the bottom of the emblem hole that lines up down here with the other one. Let's install it. Alright guys, this is pretty much what we're looking like right now. So everything's pretty much put back together. We just need to get this bumper back on the car. So I got both sides clipped on. I just need to put these bolts back on and the screws on both sides of the fenders. Alright guys, it looks like we have the bumper back, but we still need to connect the fog lights and put some finishing clips at the bottom. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car. I'm just gonna attach the fog lights, and then I'm gonna put some more clips on the bumper. So since I installed the new grill, this bottom grill, there's like this little extension at the bottom, and you can see that there's a couple holes. I think there's 4. We're gonna connect it to the rest of the car. It connects to the bottom of the radiator support, and we're gonna use the same clips that I used before, and I'm gonna insert them right here. Alright guys, so everything is secure. I have the fog lights connected and each of the final clips in, and yeah, the car is ready to go. After the install of the grills, the car looks way better. Minus the fingerprints, I'm pretty happy with the new look. Alright guys, so we have the car out here in the daylight, and I just wanted to compare the old grill with the new grill. And if you come closer, you can see the old one. I repainted this one. It was a chrome grill before, and you can see that it was kind of starting to fade away. And honestly, to be honest with you guys, I might put this one back on just so that my new one doesn't go bad, because I plan on painting the car. But that's besides the point. Check out the front end. Looks pretty good. Anyways, you guys, if you guys did find the video helpful or entertaining, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.